My home is nothing short of a dream. It's a place where sunlight feels intentional, pouring generously through the open, wide windows that frame the most beautiful sunsets and sunrises. Every corner seems touched by warmth. Hello LBB, I'm Ekta. I'm an educator by profession. Welcome to my home. This is a foyer area. This is a medallion I'd seen in hotels. हमेशा देखा था, बहुत अच्छा लगता था होटलों में. मैंने कहा मेरे घर पे भी होगा एक. This is a furniture piece from Srinagar. We were posted there. चिनार वुड का है. So I'll take you to the kitchen area now. My kitchen has a magic to it. It is so inviting that even the laziest souls in the world would like to cook, clean and just linger on. So this is the fridge. As I love traveling, I have collected these small fridge magnets from all around the world. So this side is the wall. My husband was in the Indian Air Force. He served as a fighter pilot. These are all the mugshots from all the squadrons that he was posted to. Now I'll take you to the sunroom area. Please come. This was designed to be the most messiest part of the house where we could wash clothes and dry clothes and iron them. But it also turned out so pretty. And these are the fresh produce from our kitchen garden. This is the bar area you'll always find in a Fauji house. As you see a lot of coins over there on the map. I had a collection of coins from my travels. I thought I'm going to place them on the map. But when I started placing, it needed more. So I had to beg, borrow and steal from here and there to fill up the whole map. But there's still scope for more. This is a dining table and I love it because of the onyx marble. And here you see more souvenirs from my travels. And this wall is dedicated to my husband's time in the Suryakiran aerobatic team. I'm very proud of that. I'll show you the master bedroom now. As you enter my room, you will see a burst of colors. This side we have the bright yellow color wall with block prints. And this side we have the colorful wall plates. Both the sides you see there's big windows. Now I'll take you through the guest room. This is our guest room which invites people without effort. And we have this walk-in wardrobe also for the guest room. The painting that you see behind me is from one of the many paintings in my house. It's from an artist named Suruchi Jamkar. Now we'll go upstairs. This is a special wall. These are the fabrics collected from different parts of India. And on this side, we have another painting from the same artist you saw in the guest room. On the first floor, the first room is my younger daughter's. She's an artist and she needs a lot of space to mess around. On this side, we have a day bed. All this is filled with her art supplies and artwork. This is a lounge area on the first floor, overlooking the balcony. On the top, if you see, there are colorful glasses, and when the sunlight hits them, it produces beautiful rainbow effect. This is a recreation of Van Gogh from my younger daughter. This is another room which belongs to my older daughter. Following her dad's steps, she's also a pilot, which makes her travel all the time. This is another recreation of Van Gogh from my younger daughter. This is our leisure area. This is this jacuzzi and we have a sauna. Chandelier also has a special story. We did a partial consultation with a decorator and she was not in favor of having this traditional chandelier in a contemporary house. पर मैं जब छोटी सी थी और मैं chandeliers देखती थी तो मैं बस देखती रहती थी. So we have one here. Before we proceed to the garden area, let me show you this cabinet. So this cabinet is not just a cabinet full of many books, it has even more, which is also a AV room. You'll always find black kale boxes in Fauji houses, so this one remains as a memento. This is my garden area. Come Pebbles, come. This is my evening tea place. I love to have my evening chai here. And ये मेरा बुद्धा स्टैच्यू मुझे बहुत पसंद है. The bench you see here is a recreation of a bench I saw in Yokohama Park, and I got it made in Udaipur. And मुझे इतनी बढ़िया लगी कि उदयपुर में एक आर्टिस्ट से मैंने recreate करवाई. Let's go to the backyard, which is still in the making. And this is the gazebo for chit chat and chai. This is my kitchen garden with a lot of vegetables and fruit trees. Thank you so much for watching this video. For more such content, check out lbb.in.